Welcome to the online course. I am Dr. Harika Patnala, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this semester, we are offering a course on Engineering Chemistry. In this course, we are covering 5 modules. Water and its treatment, Module 1, Module 2, Electrochemistry and corrosion, Module 3, Energy sources, Module 4, Polymeric materials, and Module 5 is Advanced functional materials. We were discussing these modules in detail in the point of chemistry. Let us see the outline of each and every module. The first module is water and its treatment. We know that, like air, water is also basic importance for the survival of life on the earth. We are all aware water is used for cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning and farming, etc. Only few people know about that what is used as an engineering material. As an engineering material, water is used for the generation of steam in boilers. So, water is used for the generation of steam in boilers. Which is used to, the steam is used to run the turbines, engines. Water is also used as an engineering material used for the construction of concrete structures. It is used for the air conditioning, refrigeration, etc. It is also used as a solvent in chemical processes. But as an engineer, we have to know that what are the composition of water. And we have to know about the troubles due to water. Troubles due to the composition present in the water and how to prevent these troubles. So in this module, we are going to give the detailed topics. The first one is hardness of water. We are going to cover the hardness of water. Hardness is nothing but the characteristic property of water due to the presence of various salts, calcium, magnesium salts and the other heavy metals. And there are the types of hardness. The types of hardness is temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water. Degree of hardness, which is followed by degree of hardness, is nothing but soft water, hard water, very hard water and the moderate water. And its units. What are the different scales? In each and every country, they will measure the water in ppm, milligrams per liter, degree French and degree Clark. So it is having different units. The next topic we are going to discuss is estimation of hardness of water. So estimation is nothing but we are going to determine that presence of hardness, total hardness, temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Total, permanent and temporary hardness of water was estimated by complexometric method using EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraesteric acid. And we are also covering the numerical problems how to estimate the total hardness present in the water in terms of either ppm or milligrams per liter or degree Clark or degree French. The next topic is we are going to discuss the potable water and its specifications in detail. There are the 7 steps involved in the treatment of the potable water according to the World Health Organization. In India also we are following the 7 steps for the purification of water. Potable water is nothing but drinking water. What are the 7 steps? Those are called sources, screening, sedimentation, coagulation, filtration, disinfection and the supply. These are the 7 steps involved for the purification of water, which is supplied for the domestic purposes. Including this, disinfection of potable water by chlorination process and the breakpoint chlorination we are going to cover. The next topic is boiler troubles. due to the presence of hardness in the water. So the various troubles we are going to face, scales, sludges and the caustic embrittlement we are going to cover, which is followed by internal treatment of boiler feed water. There are the two types of treating of water. One is internal treatment and the other one is the external treatment. In the internal treatment is nothing but we are going to use the chemicals. So one is that colloidal conditioning. In the colloidal conditioning, we are going to purify the water and we are going to remove the scales and sludges which are present in the water. These are the troubles which are facing in the water. So we are going to remove those scales and sludges with the help of colloidal conditioning by using lignin, agar-agar, tannin and the kerosene. And the second method is phosphate conditioning. We are going to use the sodium phosphate to remove the scales and sludges in the boiler. And we also using the other method is called Kalgan conditioning. Kalgan conditioning is a method to remove the both scales and sludges in the boilers by using sodium metahexaphosphate. By using sodium hexametaphosphate. By using these chemicals, we are going to do the purify the water which are used in the boilers by using chemicals. Those are sodium phosphate, sodium hexametaphosphate, etc. In this module, we are going to cover the how to prevent these boiler troubles by softening of water. So the softening of water is done by the ion exchange process. This is the method which can purify the water up to 2 ppm hardness. Up to 2 ppm hardness we can purify the water by using ion exchange process, both cation exchange and anion exchange process. Both cation exchange process and anion exchange process. This is the process we are going to purify the water. We are going to remove the cations and anions. There are the drawbacks of this process also. There are the drawbacks to purify the water by the ion exchange process because there are the certain heavy metals which cannot be removed. We cannot remove the silica. There is a turbidity limit which should be present in the water which can be purified by this method. There is another softening method called desalination of brackish water. So, by reverse osmosis, which is just opposite to the osmosis process, by using hydrostatic pressure, so we are going to remove all the salts which is present in the water. Desalination is nothing but removal of salts which are present in the water. Brackish water is nothing but seawater or the salt water by using the reverse osmosis method, which is in this method, which is the cheapest method, which you are going to remove the silica also. Less than 2 ppm of water we can get by this method. So these are the methods which are being adopted various industries for the purification of desalination of brackish water by the reverse osmosis. By applying the hydrostatic pressure, just a simple membrane, semi-permeable membrane we are going to use. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in the next classes. Thank you for everyone.